Dear students, I am Mohini Deshmukh. Today we are going to start the chapter first of class 8, that is crop production and management. In this we study the topic, we are going to start today the topic that is agricultural practices. So you know about the agricultural practices, all we have to do in the field for production of the crop. So these are the sequence of the some agricultural practices what we have to do in the field for the crop production. First is the preparation of soil, second is the sowing, third adding manure and fertilizers, fourth irrigation, fifth number protecting from weeds, sixth number harvesting, and seventh storage. So first preparation of soil means for sowing of the seeds what we have to do, the leveling of the soil we have to do firstly. So the preparation, for the preparation of the soil what we have to do, that the soil is not in level or it is not in the uniform condition. Sometimes the big clump or the big clouds of that soil in there, so we have to crush it because of the some leveler or the some other instruments we have to level that soil. That is the preparation of soil. Second, sowing. Sowing is the that process in which we have to select the good seeds for the better production of the crop. So we have to select the good seeds which are not in damaged condition. Then after that, and what is the another thing for the sowing? We have to sow the seeds in the proper depth or proper uniform distance we have to maintain for the sowing. In third, adding manure and fertilizers. In this manure and fertilizer, what is manure? Manure is prepared from the that we have to supply the nutrients to the plants for their proper growth. So it is prepared by the cow dung or the leaves leaves of that plants. And fertilizers, it is prepared in the factory. That is some chemical compositions are mixed in that. It helps for the betterment of the crop. Then irrigation means supply of the water to the plants. It is done by two methods, that is drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. In drip irrigation, drop by drop the supply of water to the plants, it is available the whole day to the plants. And in sprinkler irrigation, the sprinkle the water to every part of the water, to every part of the plant. It is in sprinkled position or it is sprinkled everywhere to the field. Then protecting from weeds. What is meant by protection of weeds? That along with the crops, some unwanted plants are grow with the besides the plants. So that unwanted crops we have to destroy it with the help of weedicides. That the some chemicals we have to use to spray over the unwanted plants to destroy it. That the weedicides, and the name of that 2,4-D, that is the name of weedicides or chemical. Then harvesting. Harvesting means the after all this procedure the crop is ready to sell in the markets. For that the cropping, for that the cutting of the crop we have to do. For the cutting of the crop is called the harvesting. It is done by the sickle. And threshing means one another method, that is threshing, which is done by the thresher or the machine which is used for the threshing purpose, that is the combining. Then another one is the storage. After that, when the our crop is ready after cutting, we have to store it. For the storage we have to use the good container, and when the crop is in better or good amount, better production of the plant, that we have to store it in the godowns or the silos. So it is free from the moisture or any other repellents or the rodents. So we have to store it in proper condition. So all these are the stages of the agricultural practices. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a nice day.